cable tie gun from Temu, along with some other tools like needle nose and whatnot, and this. But anyway, so this was like $7. You can put a cable tie on here and it'll cut it. So what you do is, whatever you're trying to put your cable ties on, zip tie, whatever, you get it all set up like that, and then this tool tightens and cuts it. I saw this tool at work and I had to buy one. It's got these teeth that pull and cut. See, it like pulls it and cuts. Pretty neat. Nice and tight. Alright. Cable tie gun. Different pressures, tensions. Alright.